All right, everybody, the mergers happened. Sandy Van SolidWorks are together. One of the coolest new projects that came out of this is one of our amazing employees, Quinn, head of CNC operations. Quinn, how's it been going?
Great. I think I know why you employed me here, because I own an FJ Cruiser.
No, when you did show up, the FJ Cruiser was really cool, but I mean, you've been killing on the CNC machine. We said, hey, we want to see if we can use your vehicle. August goal, let's get a kit inside of Quinn's vehicle. Let's get him to design it, and let's see what he came out with. So, take a look inside. All right, Quinn, show me the design you came up with and why you wanted this in your FJ Cruiser.
All right, welcome to the interior of the mall crawler here. I wanted this design because I wanted something that's a little bit taller, flushed out to the fenders, gives me more depth, optimizes all of the different kind of crazy stuff I can put into this drawer box system. Yeah. And we kind of had to sacrifice this drawer box so that we're not just trashing the swing, this hinged door, right?
Exactly.
So that gave an opportunity for
those top mount cubbies, and then also the access from the front.
Access back to the bottle jack that still lives in there. Kind of wanted that and not to just omit that area. And get some nice little homes for some grocery bags.
You literally sent me a photo this weekend after you had it in for a couple days, and I was like, this is perfect for all my groceries, not rolling around, all the fruit flying out the top.
Yeah, I can't tell you how many times I come back here and like literally open the door in my driveway and there's oranges rolling out. The grocery bags are now empty.
Yep.
So yeah, I think I achieved a lot of things that I wanted. Another thing is just having the seats up, and I can still have a car seat in there. I can still be in family mode.
So there's a lot of questions we honestly get is like, hey, can I still use the second row seats? And every single one of our systems, you can still use the second row seats. I promise that. We get a lot of questions about that, so I want to make sure that's clear. But no, I mean, we had a goal like August, let's get you a FJ Cruiser kit. Let's get you understanding a little bit about SolidWorks a little bit more, other than just doing a lot of CNC for Sandy Vans. I mean, I think you crushed it. You literally showed it to me, and I'm like, I don't think that we need to change anything. This thing's perfect.
Tiny little edits here and there, which I'm stoked about. And,
it's
and
perfect.
It's just, it's a repetition. I understand more about this product, and I'm actually really excited about it.
Awesome, man. Well, stoked that you got a cool item in your mall crawler.
Yes.
I want to see you out camping, though, too. You definitely have time off, so you take advantage of that. But the FJ Cruiser kit will be available on solidwoodworks.com in the next couple weeks, so stay tuned. Quinn, epic job, man.
Right on. Thanks, Brian.